about to begin.
Vážení hosté, přeji vám všem krásný večer. Velmi mě těší, že jste přijali naše pozvání na slavnostní recepci, konanou u příležitosti 75. výročí navázání diplomatických vztahů mezi Mongolskem a Českou republikou. Ráda bych tímto zahájila oficiální čas slavnostní recepce a proto mi dovolte, abych pozvala naše vážené hosty na pódium.
I would like to invite our guest of honor on the stage, Ambassador of Mongolia to the Czech Republic, His Excellency Mr. Gacek Degdeg. Foreign Minister of the Czech Republic, His Excellency Mr. Jan Lipavsky.
Nyní jsme na pódium mimořádného asociovaného Mongolska, České republice jeho excelence pana Neptuna Másucha. Nyní jsme na pódium ministra zahraničních věcí České republiky jeho excelence pana Jana Lipavského.
Thank you. National Anthem of Mongolia and the Czech Republic by Czech Armed Forces Brass Band.
Malý dechový orchestr ústřední hudby armády České republiky zahraje státní hymnu České republiky a Mongolska.
Mongolia.
Mongolská státní hymna.
Your Excellency Minister Lipavsky, Honorable Vitka Setlov, Vice Chair of the Senate, distinguished members of the Parliament, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to all of you. At the outset, I would like to say how grateful am I to have you all in this joyous evening to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Mongolia and the Czech Republic. The very day was 25th of April 1950. The establishment of the diplomatic relations with Czechoslovakia and other Eastern European countries was a significant milestone for Mongolia to strengthen its positions at the international fora and consolidate its independence. Since then, Czechoslovakia, now Czechia, has made tangible contribution to the development and prosperity of modern Mongolia. It's clearly evidenced by the fact that until the 1990s, this country was the second biggest trade and investment partner for Mongolia. From the very beginning, education and expertise sharing have been playing a big role in our long-standing and fruitful cooperation. Over the past years, more than 20,000 Mongolian students, young people, have studied, trained, and worked in this country, and their contribution to the development of the country, as well as to the friendship between our two countries, has been so vital. Ladies and gentlemen, Mongolia and Czechia are democracies sharing common values of democracy and holding dear human rights and freedom. We are proud nations with an ancient history and culture. Czechia is the third neighbor of Mongolia, and our relations and trust stand at a high level, and the ties between the peoples of our two countries are strengthening, and mutual cooperation is developing in many areas, including political, social, economic, cultural, educational, scientific, sports, and humanitarian fields. Within the framework of the historic 75th anniversary, the state visit of the President of Mongolia to the Czech Republic at the invitation of President Petr Pavel has been so instrumental. The heads of states have discussed a number of important issues of cooperation and agreed to elevate the level of our bilateral relations. The fact that our two countries have passed the test of the times and are now working in the spirit of comprehensive partnership, which indicates a strong foundation of our enduring cooperation. An engine of our partnership is indeed trade and economic cooperation, which is growing year after year. Our two countries have extensive collaboration in the fields of mining, infrastructure, and industry. Now we are confident that in the future we will succeed by combining the advanced technologies, know-how, and innovation of Czechia with the resources and potential of Mongolia. Here I wish to highlight the Prague Group, which is working for making valuable contribution to the success of a project to save endangered wild horses or TAC and reintroduce them to the native lands. Today, thousands of our country fellows live and work, study in Czechia. People-to-people relations serve as a pioneer of mutual understanding, trust between the two countries, and a strong bridge of educational, cultural, and humanitarian cooperation. We are pleased to present Chinggis Khan exhibition showcasing the history and heritage of Mongolia in the Czech Republic, a cradle of European history and culture. I'm confident that Mongolia and Czechia relations and cooperation will continue to grow and strengthen in the years ahead. Thank you for joining us, and I would like to say my heartfelt congratulations to Mongolians and to Czech friends who have devoted their time, knowledge, and efforts to strengthening our bilateral relations and cooperation. I wish all the best to you all, and again, I'm very grateful to have you in this joyous occasion. Have a very pleasant evening. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Nyní prosím ministra zahraničních věcí České republiky, jeho excelence pana Jana Lipavského, aby pronesl projev.
Excellency Ambassador Gansuch, members of Parliament, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me to be here with you today at the reception held on the occasion of the 75th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Czechia and Mongolia. Czechia considers Mongolia a genuine and important partner in the Asia-Pacific region. The recent visit by the President of Mongolia, His Excellency Khurelsuch, symbolized that Czechia has a prominent place among Mongolia's third neighbors. Our relations go back even before the official establishment of diplomatic relations in April 1950. The first Mongolian national anthem was composed in 1920 by a Czech composer, and in 1927 Czech brewmasters helped to establish the first Mongolian brewery. Czechia and Mongolia share a profound friendship based on mutual respect, trust, and shared values. Last month, my Mongolian counterpart, Her Excellency Bacesek, and I signed the joint declaration on comprehensive partnership between the Czech Republic and Mongolia. This step reflects the level of bilateral relations achieved and confirms our dedication to further strengthen cooperation in its whole spectrum, in particular in the areas of political relations, trade and investment, security, innovation, environmental protection, as well as education and science. Our cooperation concerns not only governments but also the peoples of countries. Czechia is proud to be home to one of the largest Mongolian communities in Europe, a community that contributes to our friendship. There are some Czech Mongolian projects that serve as a reference to others, including in global context. The cooperation on the rescue of the Převalský horse and its reintroduction to its homeland, initiated by the Prague Zoo, is one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all those who have contributed to promoting and strengthening Czech-Mongolian relations, including you, Excellency. And I firmly believe that our bilateral relations will continue to develop and bring new opportunities for mutual benefit. So may the friendship and cooperation between Czechia and Mongolia remain strong for many years to come. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your kind attention.